Hello beautiful, thank you so much for clicking my video, and in today's video this wig is brought to you by Beauty Forever Hair. I'll be sure to leave a link below to this wig and also their direct store and their social media links as well. The wig came in this long clear bag. Also inside of the box they also sent 2 more headbands that you could also wear with the wig. The wig that they sent me is their Brazilian water wave headband wig. The length of this wig is 24 inches. If you are interested in this wig or any wig or hair on their website, use the coupon code YTBER10 for money off. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. You get 1 comb towards the forehead area, another comb in the nape area. It doesn't look like it comes with adjustable straps, but that's okay with me. The cap material is a stretch fit breathable material, and the headband that's on there is already attached to it, so that's good, so you don't end up losing the headband. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. Off camera, I went ahead and co-washed the wig. Co-washing is when you just wash the hair out with conditioner, and I left it to air dry overnight. This was the amount of shedding I got. To me, that's pretty low, not bad. And this is what it looks like the next day. Very soft, beautiful curls. If you do not want to rock this wig as a middle part, like kind of straight down towards the center, if anything, you can always do a flip over on the right side or left part. So earlier I was clearing storage on my phone and I accidentally deleted the video clip of the half up half down style, so I'm really sorry about that, but this is just a hint of kind of what it would look like with me holding it up. So this wig, I really am fiending to try a ponytail in it because this is what I really wanted it for, and I do like the down style too, so it works both ways and I like it so far, and I'm just gonna hurry up and finish up. If you're wondering, did I put any product on the hair to help keep the curls like that, or waves, whatever you want to call it? No, I do not have any product on the hair. This is just how it looks freshly washed and air dried the next day. Honestly, oh, my bad. I just came in talking. I didn't even say, hey you guys. Hey you guys, I hope you all are doing well. I just want to say my quick thoughts on this wig. I'm not gonna lie, I love it. Love it. The curl pattern is so beautiful, nice and soft. This was actually genius. Like half wigs with a headband. This is perfect. Perfect for the gym or just going to a quick store run or whatever, especially if you have your braids underneath. You could also like slide it back and wear your own edges out. I seen Brittany, the Hearts and Cake 90 do that. I'll be sure to leave her video link below. She totally been killing these headband wigs. I really wasn't gonna get one, but I was like, hey, let me just get one. It might be useful for the gym, and it really is. And the way it's so versatile, you could put it up in an up style. You could put your edges out so you have some nice fleeky edges so you just look like you got a sew-in. I love the fact that the cap that they already have attached to it is black, because black usually goes with most things, so that's good. Oh my god, I love it. I really love it. Even the curl pattern, y'all see this curl pattern? The curl pattern is gorgeous. Let me turn around. I hope my peas ain't showing in the back, y'all. I hope my peas ain't showing. It's just so easy. And I don't even have it in the most neatest ponytail, but you can't even tell because the curls is just hiding it. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much, Beauty Forever, for sending this. I love it. Definitely gonna be wearing it. When I washed the wig, no, sorry. When I got the wig, there was no foul odor. They do say when you get like hair, virgin hair in general, especially from China, I'm not sure if it's from China, but you should wash your wig. So I definitely went in and washed it. I did get some shedding, but nothing too hectic where it was like, whoa, get this wig away from me, take it back to the sender. It's actually good, and I really recommend, and I think it's an affordable price. The link will be below in the description box. If I have a coupon code, I'll be sure to link it below as well. And I love it. So let me know your thoughts, you guys. Are you feeling these headband wigs? Do you think they're useless? I'm actually digging it. Maybe I'll get another one. Who knows? I don't know. Telling you, get with the program. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Later, you guys.